right, for this assignment, you are going to use a given subtraction equation and write the related addition fact, and then write a story problem that could be solved using the equation you're given. So I'm going to write my addition fact in the story problem based on this equation. 13 minus blank equals 6. Well, first of all, I need to find out what number goes in the blank. So I'm going to use a related addition fact. So I can change this to 6 plus some number gives me 13. And I can use any strategy that I've learned so far. I could count up, I could count back, I could get to a 10 and then count on, or subtract from a 10 and then count back. Whatever strategy I want to use. Or you could just absolutely just know that 6 plus the number equals is 13. So I am going to make 10. So I know that 6 plus 4 equals 10. And then I know that 10 plus 3 equals 13. So the missing part here is 7, because 4 plus 3 equals 7. That's one way to know. Another way to know is that if I am counting on from 6 to 13, and I count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took me 7 hops to get to 13. The same would be true as if I counted back from 13 to get to 6. It would still take me 7 hops to get there. So I know that my answer is 7. So if 6 plus 7 equals 13, then I know that 13 subtract 7 equals 6. So I'm working on a story problem for this equation. Because I put my blank here, I'm saying that I had something, and I don't know the change, but I know my result was 6. Okay, so here's my story problem. Eden had 13 pairs of clean socks. She wore some pairs and has 6 pairs of clean socks now. How many pairs did she wear? Okay, so notice I have my number 13. I'm going to adjust my camera so that I have my number 13. There's my 13 pairs of clean socks. I'm going to switch colors here so you can see that really well. 13 pairs of clean socks. She wore some. So this is my blank. This is the part I don't know how many she wore, right? And now she has 6 pairs that are clean. So I would solve that using the same equation. 13 minus some pairs I don't know equals 6. So that is how I'm representing 13 minus blank equals 6. And I know that this sum right here, this sum is equal to 7 pairs of socks that she wore that are dirty. All right, it's your turn. You're going to have a different math equation to use, but you'll follow the same process.